It's your girl Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. So y'all, today I do not have my camera, so the quality may look a little different. I hope I'm in frame. I'm using the back camera because the front camera sucks. So I am doing like a solo date. Wanted to get some time to myself, so I decided I will take myself out on a little solo date. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to your girl. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl, okay? First off, I went with my cousin. We went to get some crabs, and we had a little drinky drink, honey, and it was too good. So let's watch that first.
I've been gone so long, I don't know where I'm going. You be on my phone talking about what's my problem. I done go alone and get it how I want it. Had to be alone to figure out how I should be loved. And if it's just us, is that enough?
Okay, I'm gonna try a mussel. Never had one.
Is it too late for us? Go dangerous. Don't be so close, we can run. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? Don't scared of love. Don't be so close, we can run. Is it bad that I want more? Bustin' like a Julie in your waistband. Bustin' like that booty too big and you need two hands. Bustin' like you catching the body and you in G-stands. Bustin' like it's casual Friday and you in two hands. Oh, love, I know what's up. Can't get enough. Is it bad
Okay,
that I
I'm
want
back. So now I'm gonna do the other part of my solo date, and that is going to the movies. I've never really gone out by myself. And then especially since I have my daughter now, like I'm always doing something with her. So for me to be doing something by myself is a little bit different. But I'm just gonna go to the movies to see Missing. And then I'm gonna get me a little cheesecake. If y'all don't know this, y'all know now. Cheesecake Factory, the s'mores cheesecake, that is my favorite cheesecake of all time. So it's 6:12. The movie started at 7, but you know it got all on previews and whatever. So I'm gonna walk to Cheesecake and then get me a cheesecake and probably some water. I am so thirsty. I was supposed to go get my pedicure done, but I didn't feel like going. I feel like by the time I would have went, I would have missed movies. So, and this is the only time slot that they had because this movie been out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me put on my shoes, and then we're gonna go to Cheesecake, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So let's go.
now, but the truth I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Y'all, I used to sit here when I worked at the mall, and everything is so different now. I was talking about getting a water, and I ended up getting a lemonade. So I'm gonna sit here until 7 o'clock because I ain't trying to watch all those previews. So I'm about to eat my cheesecake.
Now, but the truth I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just
Okay, y'all, I am leaving the movies now. It was really, really good. Oh my God, the things you would do to protect your kids, you and your kids. I ain't gonna spoil the movie, but y'all gotta go watch it. That man was crazy. Okay? Crazy. So crazy. But the movie was really, really good. And I was kind of scared, but I stuck it out. So It was really, really good. But where am I? Oh, I parked on the second floor. All right, so I'm just going to head home now. I miss my baby. I didn't see her all day since earlier. So, I'm gonna just take the stairs. F it. But I miss my baby so much. So now I'm gonna get ready to go home because I miss my baby. Hopefully she sleeps. She better be asleep. But the movie was really, really good. And hold on, let me get to the car. Hold on. All right, so I'm in the car, but what I'm saying, I'm kind of getting my voice back. So what I'm saying of what I'm learning, what I've learned from this solo date, like, it's okay to have time to yourself. It's okay to just want to be alone. Especially me as a mom, like, sometimes I get overstimulated. My daughter be getting on my nerves sometimes, and that's okay to want to have some alone time, some peace time, some non-mommy time, like not being a mom, not cooking, not cleaning. Like, honestly, like, I need to do this more. And I feel like if I keep doing this, I'm gonna be a better mama. Like, that little time to myself, and not just time to myself in the house, not going nowhere and cooking and cleaning. No, I need these days where I'm not cooking, I'm not cleaning, I'm not being a mom. Like, I really enjoy this, and I feel so refreshed that I did this. And I think I'm gonna try to aim to do this like every 2 weeks or at least once a month. And then I know my mom guilt is eating me up, honey, because like I'm always doing stuff with my daughter, and it just feels weird to not do something with her. But I'm gonna make up for it because me and my baby gonna have fun this weekend. We're going to a kids party, and then I think on Friday I'm gonna pick her up from school early, and we're gonna go to like this little park, and it has a splash pad. I think we're gonna do that. But yeah, like, I really enjoyed this solo date so much. So yeah, I definitely think I'm about to tap into that mom, okay? And whatever that means for me, it's for me. It don't gotta be all glitz and glam, but that mom is what I'm about to tap into with the solo date. So yeah, why somebody at a park right next to me? Why? I know I can't be the only one that be like, why you got a park next to me knowing I'm recording? Anyways, so it's 9:16. It's still kind of early, but the gas light is on. But honey, I don't like to stop for no gas at late at night. And honey, I'm gonna make it home. I'm about to go home, take a shower, get ready for tomorrow. She has school tomorrow. What tomorrow is? Yeah, whatever. Yeah, I'm about to go home, and yeah, but I really enjoyed this. I really enjoyed this so much. So I will be doing more of these. So mamas, if you're watching this and you ain't getting no alone time, try to find you some alone time, okay? Like, we need it because we need a damn break from these kids, okay? But I'm gonna end this video here. If you haven't yet, don't forget to like this video. Comment down below, what do you like to do for self-care, solo date? What do you like to do outside of your kids, just for yourself? Please comment down below. But I'm gonna end this video right here, y'all, and I want to thank you guys again for watching. And don't forget, mamas, take care of yourself. And if you're not a mom and you're watching this, take care of yourself. Take yourself out on dates and do the damn thing. All right, I'll see y'all later. Peace.